This is a video tutorial on the solos for the song Extra Extra. I will be playing the music and pointing at the words as we go along. I will not be singing the chorus, but I will sing the solos both times for you to sing along with and practice with. You may want to refer to your lyric packet that was sent home because these lyrics go by kind of quickly and you may not catch them all as I'm trying to fly by them on the screen. So let's go ahead and get started. Having some trouble with my CD player, my player here. Alright, here we go. Find out what the sheriff will do. Read about